Want to build a passive income stream that works 24/7, without quitting your job or becoming a tech genius? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up your own AI-powered income machine in 2025. Let's go! Step 1. Choose your niche and income style. Start with one of 3 easy passive income styles. Digital products, like templates or eBooks. Faceless YouTube channel, print-on-demand designs. Pick the one that feels easiest to you. Don't overthink, just get started. Step 2. Let AI do the heavy lifting now. Bring in the AI tools. ChatGPT to write your scripts, product descriptions, or entire ebook. Canva plus Leonardo AI to design thumbnails, products, or social content. Pictory to turn your scripts into pro-level videos. You're basically outsourcing the whole process, for free or nearly free. Step 3. Set up your sales channel depending on your niche. Upload your ebook or template to Gumroad or KDP. Post your YouTube videos and monetize with ads. Add your designs to Redbubble or Etsy for print-on-demand sales. Once it's live, you start earning automatically. Step 4. Rinse and scale. This is the magic part. Repeat what works. Got a design that's selling? Make more like it. One video blowing up? Do a sequel. One product getting traction? Tweak and expand. AI lets you scale up fast, without burnout. That's how people are earning income in their sleep with AI. Subscribe to Daily Smart Hustle for more step-by-step videos like this one.